310 Deer Meadow in Sun City, Georgetown. Let's take a look. Got beautiful crepe myrtles. Gorgeous trees. You got the American flag. Curb appeal, some fresh mulch down there. Let's check this out. This is 1701 square feet per tax record. You got this nice cherry wood floor when you come in. Little pano. Over on your right, you got a bedroom with a little sliding closet. Just a regular slider. These wood floors carry throughout. The only place that it's not is the tile wet areas. Washer, dryer are included with this, as well as the refrigerator. So this comes all with all the appliances that you will need. So as we were saying, so that's the foyer. You can come this way to the bedroom, bathroom, or utility room right here. Here's the garage. All this stuff will be gone, but you got a little extra space on the side so you can open your door. You got your sprinkler system right there, water heater, but a good sized garage, a little window in there for some light. Onward. So coming in on the left side is another bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So this has a little bay window there. Again, the little typical slider door, which I'll show you in there. This one has some shelves. This AV stuff will be gone, but you got a rack there. Over here, you got a little linen closet or a coat closet. Boom, boom. That's what a coat closet looks like. Here is your guest bathroom. You got granite counters throughout. You got a window up there. You got a little for your toiletries, toiletry cabinet. And then here is onward into the main living area. So do moment of silence. Sometimes it's like, realtor, shut up. Just shut up and let me look. So this is a upgraded granite, beautiful. And here is from the other way. You got some little windows there. You have stainless steel appliances. This has a separate little pizza oven. Save you on some electric costs. Nice kitchen, high ceilings. And then this is what it looks like. So you're washing your dishes. It's got a dishwasher, but washing your dishes and you're just out watching some TV. And you also have this cool sunroom. Dining area would be here. I mean, you don't have to use it as a dining room, but that's kind of what it is. Here you could put a little sectional or something, a little coffee table there, maybe a couple rocking chairs, and visit with your spouse or significant other. So nice, ample size living area. Nice and big. This is a big couch. Let me hit it from this side. Pow. This is a very spacious living area. 1701 square feet again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got your Nest thermostat. Here is your primary bedroom. You got another bay window there. Ceiling fans throughout. These wood floors are beautiful. Maybe look a little more red in the video than it does in person, but here's your vanity. Got a big upgraded fixture there. Nice big mirror, upgraded granite. Got some upgraded spouts there. You got a separate tub and shower. Nice and spacious. Got a little seat there so you can think about your life. Toilet closet. This closet is huge. Woo! Couple racks that side, rack this side, shoe shelves, and you got some rods there because the attic is there. Maybe throw a Christmas tree in there. All right, let's check out that outdoor patio because that is really nice. We don't want to forget that on our tour. Oh, and here's the pantry. I didn't show you that. Pantry, pantry, pantry. All that stuff will be gone. This refrigerator is also included. You got 2 freezer drawers. So that's a real nice fridge to include. And then here we go. The owner put a pretty nice covered patio on this thing. Look at those wood slats, little beanboard. You got a fan there. And this is a big patio, flagstone. You got a little bench over there. And then you have wrought iron fencing. Moment of silence again. That was me clicking my tongue. You got a little shelf and you have a nice big patio there and crepe myrtles, big old crepes. Crepe, 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 crepe. Lots of crepes. Beautiful. And that's 310 Deer Meadow.